खुर्सांचे मोडतोडीचे केशींनी फ्रांसिसाक धरल्या उपरांतूय चिंबळा आणि मडकय खुरीस मोडले म्हूण चर्चीचो पुलिसांचे इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन थियरी आड आर्ग्युमेंट। खुर्सांची मोडतोड जाल्ल्या प्रकरणात धरिल्ल्यांक मेंटल केस म्हूण पुलीस हाताळटा म्हूण फॅक्ट फायंडिंग टीमीक दुबाव। पुलिसांचो तपास योग्य दिशेन ना म्हूण चर्च एसआयटी मागता।
We don't know, we can't trust the police, that the police may not have asked Francis Pereira to act as a mad person. We do not know because there is no medical certificate certifying him to be not in good mental health. So therefore we are demanding that police has demonstrated its incompetence to investigate the desecrations of crosses thoroughly. We are therefore demanding that an SIT be formed under supervision of High Court or Supreme Court.
पुलिसांनी तपासात खंय आळशीपणा केल्यात, केसीक खंय राजकीय संदर्भ आसा।
Our main findings are that so far as desecration of 50 odd crosses is concerned, police has done a very lazy investigation. And the investigation was also supported, backed and influenced politically. This investigation by police stopped because of political influence. Police did not dig deeper because immediately Chief Minister of Goa declared that they have found the accused without any. It is not the business of Chief Minister to declare somebody guilty even before court has pronounced, even before the man has been put and charge sheeted before court, put on trial. Taking the hint, police stopped further investigation.
पणजे बाय इलेक्शनाक 2 दीस आसतना नेमको चर्चीन खुर्सांचे केशीचो आपलो रिपोर्ट जारी करून नव्या चर्चेक याप्त केला। प्रुडंटा खातीर तुकाराम मराठे।